Everyone, it's Leanne. Welcome to another video on my channel. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, but I have a really big haul to share with you. So let's get this package open and see what's inside. I don't know what's in here. Oh, okay. This isn't stamp related, but I'll show you anyways because I opened it on camera. I ordered some Animal Crossing cards, and I only did this to top up my Best Buy order online. I did a pre-order. Yeah, so that's not stamp related. But let's check out the stamps I bought. This is my stamp order. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a week and a half. Okay, so let's get into this. I can't even remember some of the things I ordered. I kind of had some items that I wanted to order, and then the rest I just kind of went through at the last minute and looked at some things. I kind of knew the idea of what the products that I wanted to get. I'm just going to get some scissors because the knife, my other knife's upstairs. So I kind of threw some things in at the last minute. So let's check out what I bought because some of it's going to be a surprise for me. And I just want to be careful I don't cut anything that I shouldn't. Okay, I'm just going to reach in. Let's see. Let's see what I pull out. I'm excited. I haven't done this in a long time. Okay, this is from Simon Says Stamp. Oh, yes. Okay. This is a stencil. It's called Heart Mandala or Mandala. This is beautiful, and it's really thin. I just thought it would be really nice for more elegant cards. It would make a nice background, maybe emboss resist with distress inks. Really excited about this. So this is Heart Mandala from Simon Says Stamp. So that's the first thing I got. This is another stencil I picked up. This is from Echo Park Paper Company. And I've never actually heard of them before, but I did find them on the Simon Says Stamp website. And this is a 6x6 stencil, so it should be big enough to cover the full front area of a card, a standard A2 size card. I really loved just kind of the Art Deco style of this stencil, and I don't have a lot of stencils. I actually only have one, if you can believe that. So I'm really excited to give this a try too. I just wanted to pick up some more things that would do some backgrounds. That's something I struggle with sometimes, is just filling the card visually, and so these stencils should come in really handy. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I've been wanting this for such a long time. This was sold out the first time I went to buy it, and it's by Avery Elle, and it's called Konnichiwa, and so it's a Japanese-inspired stamp set, and it has the little Sakura buds and some chopsticks and all the little faces. I love anything that comes with multiple faces. I think they're so much fun. And then it has the little Japanese person with their little fan. And I'm going to Japan this year, and so I thought that this would be good to do with scrapbooking or maybe even journaling or travel journaling and creating some cards too. My mom's going with me, so I did want to make her a card for Mother's Day, and it didn't come in time, but I'm sure I will find uses for this. And I also got the coordinating dies. This was cheaper if you bought it in a bundle, so that's why I bought them together. What else is in here? This one's big. This one's big. Oh, yes. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so these are the nested rectangle scallop dies from Fawn. This came actually in a bigger cardboard than I thought it would. This is actually pretty big. But I've really wanted these for a long time too, just to create layers on the background of my card. I thought this would be really fun to use. And the thing I liked about these ones is if you can see up close, it has die cuts in the scallops. So it looks like it may punch little holes or something in the frame edge. And so I'm really, really excited to see how these look when I punch them out with cardstock. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. This is exciting. So, oh, look at this. Look at this. This is from Simon Says Stamp. So I had put my order in my cart, and then I got pulled away from my order, and I didn't get to order right away. And when I came back, they had offered me a free gift. And so, oh, this is so much fun. I got this stamp set here, which has some sentiments and some borders and some shapes. And this is really great because I actually struggle with sentiments. I always am pulling them out of other stamp sets. And so this is nice. It looks like there's a love and thanks, a friend sentiment. So this is really exciting. And these borders will be really fun as well. And then it looks like I don't know what this is. It says it's a steel die. So let's open this up. There's some goodies in here, which I didn't know what would be in here. So I'm really excited about this too. Okay, so this probably has a name. This is the You Plus Me clear stamp set. So that's really cool. Thank you so much, Simon Says Stamp. That's awesome. A full stamp set, that is pretty cool. These are called Studio Puff stickers. These will be so great for using in my day planner and my journaling, for especially traveling too. I love to journal when I travel. It's the easiest way for me to remember my trips. And these all have little sentiments and sayings on them, and they're little puffy, soft stickers. So these are really pretty. I love the colors. So that's really fun to use. That's awesome. And this is by Pink Fresh Studio. And so this here, it says it's a mod ornament, and I'm not really sure what this is. It says for use on cardstock, felt, fabric, shrink plastic, and much more. And so I could use this with my Sizzix, it looks like. I'm going to open this up and just take a quick look at what this looks like. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. So this is like a Christmas ornament. Or it could be, actually, you could do it seasonal too, depending on how you decorated it. So it looks like it pops out this shape, and then you could layer this or use it to attach on a card maybe, or I mean a gift is like a to and from mini card. This is really cool. I'm really excited to try this out. So that's awesome. Simon Says Stamp is awesome. It's a great company, and I've ordered from them before, so I'm really excited about that. That was a really nice gift. So the next thing I got, I'm so excited. I love Lawn Fawn. Lawn Fawn is so great. So I have the Year 7 stamp. So every year Lawn Fawn releases a commemorative stamp to celebrate their anniversary, and so this is the Year 7. I don't know that this is the newest one. I think there's a newer one than this, but maybe there is, I'm not sure. But this is so cute. This is a little piñata, and I just love the option of the colors that you could do with this, make it bright and festive. It says, hope your birthday is a smash, and there's a bunch of little candies, and it comes with coordinating dies too. I also have the llama stamp set, if you've probably seen those in my videos before, and it's kind of the same idea. It's a year celebration stamp, and I love these little mini stamps because they're really fun too. So, oh, I'm so excited to have that. It's hard not to peek in the bag when I'm grabbing things, but I'll try not to. Okay, well, that's a die, so we're not going to look at that. We'll wait for that. Okay, I think these go together. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited to share this with you. These stamp sets I didn't know about until I was on the website, and I was trying just to kind of fill my order and just add some things that kind of caught my eye. I didn't have any plan to purchase these. I just looked at them and I saw them on the site, and they're so cute. I love the art style, so I'm going to bring this in closer so you can see. These are unicorns. My niece loves unicorns and rainbow colors and ponies and all that stuff. So I thought that this would be really great to create cards and gifts for her. And I loved all the unicorns, and I loved kind of this monoline rustic art style of drawing. And I liked the kind of typewriter text that came with it. It was just a little bit different than what I typically do with cards. And so I'm really, 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 really excited to try this out. This is by Flora and Fauna. And so I got the coordinating die to match too. And I've seen some sample cards on the Simon Says Stamp website with this stamp set, and they were so pretty. They're so beautiful. So I'm so excited to try this out. But this company is really cool. I hadn't heard of it before I went browsing on the site and just kind of stumbled across that, and I'm super excited to have it. Now I did pick up another one because I loved this one so much. And so, well, if you know me, you know I love birds. And so I picked up this bird stamp set. So actually, to clarify, this one's called Unicorn Magic Set. And then this one is called Floral Aviary Set. And these are so sweet. I love the little birds, and I just love the whimsical flowers. I mean, that could be used to create a background or could be paired with other scenes and stuff too. So I just love all of this. It's got the little bird cage. It's got a lot of florals and a lot of like greenery additions as well to help with decorating, which is really nice. And the little music notes for the birds. This is so cute. I'm so excited about this stamp set. The sentiments in this one say, have a good day, hello my friend. And in the unicorn stamp set, it says, life is magical and create your own magic. This also has a little bird, I just noticed, so that's pretty cool too. And I love the stars that are kind of glittering off. Oh my gosh, they're so cute, they're so cute. Okay, let's see what else I have. Oh, a thank you card, that's awesome. That is awesome. I love Simon Says Stamped. I will look at that after. So I also picked up a Memento colored ink. I noticed this was kind of like a last minute purchase as well. I was going through my email and Christina Warner, which I'm sure you've all seen her awesome YouTube videos, had recommended this for doing no line coloring. And I haven't done no line coloring stamps, but I've wanted to try. And our local Michaels doesn't carry colors of Memento ink. They only carry the black. And so I picked this up as well because it was recommended by Christina in one of her videos. And so I am excited to try some no line coloring with this ink pad. And that's it. The bag's empty. So this is my stamp haul. I got quite a few things and some presents from Simon Says Stamp too. That's very exciting. So I'm sure we'll have lots of card videos coming soon. I'm so excited to delve into these and try them all out and see what I can create. Oh my gosh, they're so much fun. And oh, these Floral and Fauna stamp sets. Ah, I love them. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this peek of what I picked up, my haul, and some new supplies that I needed, just helping to grow my collection and come up with some new card ideas. I'm really super excited. I'm sure you can tell. Anyways, if you did enjoy this peek at my haul, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. It always does help my channel, and subscribe so you're notified as I post more videos, and hit the bell so you can be notified as they're put live. Thank you so much for watching.